You don't always have to invest in expensive charging stations for servicing electric vehicles. Reserve your charging station for the EVs with larger batteries. Vehicles with lower charging capacity can be easily and cost-effectively charged using the Mobility Dock at any regular power outlet. With some charging bricks, prolonged usage can lead to excessive heating of the cable and the power outlet. The Mobility Dock, among many other safety features, includes integrated temperature monitoring, ensuring a consistently safe charging process. Additionally, with the Mobility Dock, you can quickly and easily check if your customer's charging cable is still functional. E-Mobility, alive by LAPP.